हाय स्टूडेंट्स। निसर्ग सेवक गोपाल ठुसर का बहुत बहुत प्यार आपको। In our previous video, we have learned the concept of point, line, line segment, ray, etc. Now, to judge your understanding, being a teacher, I ask you one question. Here, I have drawn three lines: line L, line M, and line N. Out of these three lines, which one is the longest? Many may have said that this is the longest line. Students, all are infinite. The arrows indicate this is infinite, all are infinite. So they have infinite length. We can't compare here which one is the longest. Now we shall learn the concept of plane. Now imagine the wall of your drawing room. Suppose you are viewing the wall of your drawing room. Now consider that or imagine that it is extended on all sides. ऊपर भी है, नीचे भी है, बाजू में है, राइट में है, लेफ्ट में है, इनफाइनाइट ऐसी पसरी हुई है. Maybe it's the color of the wall, maybe green, yellow or blue, anything. But imagine that it is extended on all sides. जो पिक्चर आपके सामने आएगा दैट इज अ प्लेन. जैसे ये पेपर है. सपोज इमेजिन दैट दिस इज एक्सटेंडेड टू इंफिनिटी ऑन ऑल साइड्स. जो पिक्चर दिखेगा दैट इज अ प्लेन. सो प्लेन अगेन इज not defined, it is undefined. It is a set of infinite points. Now again I ask you one question. In this plane, how many lines, segments or rays do you see? I saw or I see infinite lines in this plane, though they are not visible here, but there are infinite lines. एक ऐसी जा रही है, एक ऐसी जा रही है, ऐसे there are infinite lines, infinite segment also. So this is the concept of point, and to represent it, plane, and to represent it, we again create a idol of it. That is a box like this. Okay, this is a plane. So plane is undefined. It is a set of infinite points, and any 2 points determine a length. You consider any 2 points in the space and try to join them. So 2 points determine one and only one line. Now to determine plane, you need three non-collinear points. Non-collinear means one here, and one here. Now three non-collinear points determine one and only one plane. These are all imagination. Huh? So in this space or in this hall, how many planes do you see or in your drawing hall? There are infinite planes. One passing like this, one passing like this, one passing like this, one vertical, one horizontal like this. There are infinite planes. So I told you that imagination is very, very important. And I also told you that 3 points determine one and only one plane. 3 non-collinear points. They determine one and only one point, one plane. You consider any 3 point here. They should be non-collinear. So imagine 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. There is a plane passing through these 3 points, they being non-collinear. Then, do we use this concept in our day-to-day life? Yes, definitely. We use this concept in day-to-day life, just as the stand of a camera or tripod has 3 legs. Why 3 legs? I show you. Now on this plank, I have fixed 3 nails and they are of different length. 1, 2, 3. They have different lengths, but they are non-collinear, so they determine one and only one plane. And the advantage of this is when we put this on any surface, it remains steady, though it has different length. And this is the use of the concept of plane we are here using. So tripod, पानी जहाँ रखते हैं ना मटका, उसको भी 3 ही लेग होते हैं. यदि 4 होते तो ये थोड़ा हिल सकता था, ये नहीं हिलेगा. To keep the object steady, there are 3 legs. They may be of different length. तो ये डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज करते हैं. तो जब भी आप पानी पीने जाओगे या घर में जो ट्राइपॉड होगा, वो जब देखोगे तो इसकी याद आना चाहिए, इस कंसेप्ट की याद आना चाहिए कि 3 non-collinear point determine one and only one plane. यदि अब मैं आपको ये बॉक्स दिखाऊं और एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. Now in this box, consider this is 1 point, this is another, and this one is the 3rd point. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3rd point. Are these 3 points here, 1, 2 and these 3, they are coplanar, एक प्लेन में है? सोच के बताइए. एक पॉइंट यहाँ है, एक पॉइंट यहाँ है और एक पॉइंट यहाँ है. वो एक प्लेन में है? डेफिनेटली है. जो प्लेन हमें नहीं दिखता पर वो ऐसा होगा. Because these 3 are non-collinear points, so there must be one and only one plane passing through them. So there is a plane. You have to imagine it only. In fact, this box has 6 planes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you consider these 3 points, then again there is a plane. There is one plane like this. There is one plane like this. So this is what about a plane. Goodbye, students.